Hello. So, we are doing great. Till now, we have learned a lot, and a lot we will learn today too. Today, I'll show you the functions of uh, seven tools. We will cover this section along with this tool. Time is precious, so let's not waste it. Our first tool for this video is rectangle tool. You can work with this tool on click or click drag principle. These are not standard terminologies, just names given by me. To draw a rectangle, you will need to left click at the workspace where you wish to place a vertex of the rectangle, and then you can either drag your mouse to your desired length of rectangle, or you can simply drag your mouse without holding any key to your desired length of rectangle and then left click to finish. To draw a rectangle in other planes, just switch your view and draw. Remember, from now onwards, if I say click, then it means I'm talking about left mouse button click. And if I say drag, then it means I'm talking about dragging while holding left mouse button. For exceptional cases, I will denote clearly. Got it? One more thing we have left in rectangle is that we can draw a rectangle by providing length and breadth units. Like we are currently using meters, so if I want to draw a rectangle of size 4 meter by 6 meter, then I will need to click once to set one vertex, and then I will have to drag it without holding any mouse key. Basically, I am using click principle, and here you can see a box with title measurements. It shows the measurements of the figure. Now you will need to provide measurements for your rectangle. No need to click on this box. Just press keys on your keyboard like 4, 6, enter. And here we go. This rectangle will be of size 4 meter by 6 meter. I can show you. You can see 4 meter and 6 meter. One more thing left. While drawing rectangle, you may come across a diagonal dotted line. It indicates that the figure is a square. Although it shows one more thing, golden section. I actually don't know what golden section means, but watch out the text over the cursor also if it appears. Next we have line tool. Just like rectangle tool, line tool can be used by click or click drag principle. To draw a line, click first to position one end, and then you can either drag to your desired length or simply drag without holding any key, and then click again to place other end of the line. If you want to draw a line of predefined length, then you can provide its length also. Click to place one end and then drag without holding any key. Enter the desired length like 4 and press enter. Here it is, a line 4 meter long. If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, then it will get displayed in red color. If parallel to y-axis, then green color, and if parallel to z-axis, then blue color. If you draw a closed figure on a plane, then face will get displayed. On the other hand, closed figure not on a single plane will not display face. Although if you separate one closed figure into two or more according to number of planes, then different faces on their respective planes will get displayed. One more thing left is that if you use click principle for drawing a line, then second line will start from the point where first line finished. This doesn't apply to click drag principle. Next we have circle tool. Click to set its center point, and you can use either click or click drag principle. Actually, mathematics says that circle is a figure which is made up of a number of lines whose center are at the equal distance from a point which we call as center of the circle, and distance as radius, and those lines are perpendicular to the radius from their centers. So smoothness of a circle depends on the number of these lines. If number of lines are less, then circle will not be smooth, and if they are more, then circle will be more smooth. Currently there are 24 lines comprising this circle. Of course you can change this number from 24 to any. The method is the same as that of providing length to the line. Only difference is that you will have to type S also to indicate that we want change in number of sides. Have a look. Click once, then drag without holding any mouse key. Type number of desired sides like 4 and then type S, enter. You can see a 4-sided figure. Similar to this, you can set more sides like 80 and then press S, enter. Here we have a better circle than before. You can draw a circle in any plane by changing your view. Its color while drawing indicates the plane in which you are drawing your circle. For example, blue color shows that you are drawing the circle in XY plane with blue axis, that is Z axis, being perpendicular to it. Next we have arc tool. Arc tool works on the click 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 principle, or you can say 3 clicks principle. First click will place one end of the arc, second click will place another end of the arc. Then you will need to drag without holding any key to create your arc. Click again to finish drawing. You can smoothen your arc by changing number of sides, just like you have changed in case of circle. Next is polygon tool. Its icon shows a triangle, but actually it indicates any polygon. As you can see, currently it is showing a hexagon. You can change the number of sides. Yes, you are right, by the same method. It also works on click drag and click click principle. If you know circle, it means you know polygon also. Let's come to the next tool, freehand. It works only on dragging principle, neither click drag nor click click. Simply hold down your left mouse key and start dragging. This completes our shapes tutorial, but we were actually going to finish one more tool, paint bucket. This tool is used for filling colors and textures to our model. There's nothing like explanation with it. You can explore it by yourself. It contains a number of color tabs. Here is the picker for picking a color from your model. From here you can create custom colors and can add your own texture to your model. Explore it and you will find a lot of things here. This way we have successfully learned 7 tools today. Some tips I would like to add here. First, if you wish to draw a line along some axis and due to some constraint you are not able to draw that properly, then keyboard arrows keys can help you. For example, if you wish to draw a line along x-axis, you can press right arrow key to limit your movement to x-axis only. Similarly, for y-axis, press left arrow key, and for z-axis, press up or down arrow key. Not only with line tool, you can use arrow keys at other places also where you want to restrict your movement to some particular axis. Second tip is that if you wish to lock your tools to some particular axis, then you can keep pressing shift key for letting them lock. I know this is not clear to you, so let me show you with an example. Here I am drawing a cuboid. Now if I want a circle perpendicular to y-axis, it means green colored circle over this face, and it should be half outside and half inside. Then without locking the circle to y-axis, it won't be easy for me to use that on this face. If I place my circle here, it will turn red, that is perpendicular to x-axis. To solve this problem, first hover your circle to some place where it turns out to be green. Now lock it by pressing and holding shift key. Carry your circle to the desired face and click to place it. Leave shift key and drag to draw the desired circle. This way we have completed almost everything of these tools, and now it's time to say goodbye. Don't be sad. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.